Before you begin, you must ensure all electrics have been disconnected as a safety measure. This should be performed by a qualified electrician. How do I make the cutouts for the sockets? Well, this is simply something that can be done on site. Firstly, you need to measure the panel, the wall, the socket position, then mark the sockets on the panel. Always double check any measurements. Once the panel is marked, use a drill and make a hole in each corner of the socket. Once the 4 corners have been drilled out, use a jigsaw to cut between the holes, leaving an opening for the socket. Repeat this process for as many sockets as required for your splashback. Before fixing to the wall, place the panel in position as a dry fit and make any necessary final adjustments before fixing to the wall.